Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am sitting here in Ragusa Ibla in Giardino Ibleo, the Ibla Gardens, and I wanted to talk about how to start a business in Italy. This is not a sponsored post, although I'm telling you about the service that I'm using, but it's probably the easiest way to start a business in Italy. And this is what I did. So the service that I'm using here is called Xolo, and they are a group of accountants, and they have a software like an online platform where you register, you put your details, and you can create electronic invoices. The electronic invoices currently is the norm in Italy, and you are required by law to do the electrical invoicing. And one of the benefits of that is that a copy of your invoice, or the information that you put on the invoice, is going to be sent to the Agenzia delle Entrate, which is the tax office, and it will be sent there automatically, so they know exactly the amounts what you are invoicing, and it makes the taxation a little bit easier. Or so you would think. So I've been using this service since October 2022. 2022. My God, not 10 years. Yeah, October 22, and so I have 10 months of invoices behind me, or something like that. And I found the service is really nice to use, very comfortable, it's easy. I get the interface in English, so I haven't had to make more mistakes than when I did the first time, when the interface was still in Italian. The technical support has been really good. They answer immediately. You can book a phone call to yourself, towards yourself. They will call you back when you do that, and they are very quick to reply to your emails. At the moment, I am going to pay my taxes for the first time, because if you have a partita IVA and you are a sole trader, sole entrepreneur in Italy, you only pay your taxes bi-yearly, which is twice a year. And in 2022, I was not liable to taxes in Italy. I was liable to taxes in Finland, so I paid my taxes in Finland from those three last months of 2022. So that was October, November, and December. And this year I will be paying taxes to Italy, and Xolo is doing all the calculations for me. I'm still waiting for them to give me the amounts that I need to pay for the tax office. And during this time, the whole time, I have saved the money on a separate account. So every month I take the percentage of my incoming money and I put it on another account to save against my tax payment, which is now upcoming. The thing that has confused me, though, is that initially they told me that I would be paying the taxes by the end of June. I don't know if that was a mistake on their part and they told me the wrong date, but it's actually, they told me the last of July. And now, last week I have received another date, and they tell me that I should pay to the end of August. And on their website, they say November, the last of November. So I'm a little bit confused. I have been telling them continuously that I do want to pay my taxes. I want to pay them immediately. I would prefer to pay them beforehand, so that I don't have this amount of money lying on my bank account, because it's stressing me out. I might end up using it for the wrong things, but so far I've been managing pretty well. I have not touched the amount at all. So I'm quite happy that I have been able to maintain some discipline there. But this is certainly a very different way of paying taxes compared to what I'm used to. In Finland, we pay the taxes every month. So in Finland, I'm used to paying my taxes every month. So when you get your salary or whatever invoices you are invoicing from your clients, you pay the taxes immediately. But here it's the different thing. In Italy you also have to pay 2 euros per each invoice that is more than 75 euros invoiced. So if you invoice less than 75 euros in an invoice, in one single invoice, you don't have to pay the marca di bollo, the 2 euros. So for example, if I have now sent 6 invoices this year and they are all over 75 euros each, then I have to pay 2 euros times 6, which is 12 euros, and that is the fee of I don't even know what it is for, but they generally pay all the public services with these little marca di bollos. And for example, if you deal some paperwork with the Anagrafe, the Comune, the people's office, you have to pay the marca di bollo, and the biggest amount so far we have paid for some legal documents, it's 16 euros. So this is just the system they seem to be using here. So you have to live with that. So all in all, in the beginning, the solo company, they registered my Partita IVA, the VAT number, the VAT number, the business unit number, my company number. They did not ask any marketing name, so I didn't give the company any name. So the company is in my name. My name is Minna Moira Johanna Nelson, so my company is called that. I would have wanted to change that, but I don't know if that's possible, or maybe it's because I am a sole entrepreneur, so maybe I just go by my name. I don't know the legal stuff behind it, if it's even possible to change it for Sunny marketing or whatever. But I would have used another name if I could have, but so I guess I just leave it at that. So what else? It's getting really sunny here. I am so surprised that there is not so many people here on a Sunday. I don't know if it's because it's quite warm or it's less warm than normally. So usually I've seen that there's a lot of people here on Sundays. So anyway, so this is the Ibla Gardens. I really enjoy being here, but it's been so warm in the past weeks and basically even 2 months already that I haven't come here that often. But yeah, I really enjoy it here. And this is definitely the place to visit if you are coming to Ragusa Ibla. Maybe one of the things that, or one of the reasons why I like Italy is that it's literally impossible to make bad looking videos here. Unless of course you are sitting inside in your old apartment that doesn't look so polished, so you don't want to film that. But look at this. Let me show you. Hello? It was nice, wasn't it? Yep. This is my home. I'm quite happy about it. Yay. Okay, bye-bye.